Hello everyone, how are you doing? So we have got a case today that we're going to tackle on a knee joint. I want you to spot the diagnosis, and then if we agree, let's agree. If we disagree, let's disagree. So this is an elderly man. Uh, he's now 68 years old, and then this is what we saw. That's the knee. So this is the left knee and the lateral aspect. So see what is there. So you can see these are free loose bones though, so these are osteophytes, and you can see there's fluid also there, there's also fluid there. So there is inflammation there that is probably caused by these osteophytes on the lateral aspect of the knee. So this is the X-ray. You can see the X-ray there. That's the X-ray of the sub patient. So according to my own assessment, I can see that there is some degeneration, massive degeneration that is happening there. That's why you are seeing these free bodies, and you can see free fluid there, free fluid there, free fluid there. So this synovitis is secondary to the degeneration that is happening there. So this is osteoarthritis there, osteoarthritis that is manifesting there with free bodies. So these are free bodies there and the fluid there. So it could also have been a fracture, but we don't have the history of any trauma or to the patient. So it can be a fracture. So it's just age related degeneration. So the challenge with these loose bodies, because they are free, they can impinge on the surrounding uh, tendons and soft tissue uh, when the patient is moving. So that now causes localized inflammation. That we are now seeing that we do have got tenosynovitis there. We have got synovitis there, synovial thickening, and see the fluid there. All of that. That's the effusion. That's the effusion there. That's the effusion that you're seeing there. That's the effusion. So I hope it's all making sense. So when it comes to ultrasound, so this is an acquisition using a walk stick. Now you can see the osteophyte, the free body nicely there. You can see it nicely there, nicely there, nicely there, nicely. So the walk stick has got a superior resolution, and it can scan nicely these superficial structures. You can see the synovium, how thickened the synovium is there. There is a synovial thickening there, synovial thickening, synovial thickening, synovial thickening there. I think you're appreciating it. So it's very critical that when you're doing this sonars, you also have to take the history of the patient. Otherwise, if you don't take the history of the patient, you are going to miss crucial diagnosis. You can think that is a bone fracture. So it's only degeneration. If you look closely on the X-ray there, there is no sign of bone fracture there. So osteoarthritis is one of those things, especially in adult age, that can pose a challenge. So some of these things are small bone fragment like this. They can be difficult to visualize nicely on X-ray. So these sub-centimeter loose bones can be difficult to resolve on an X-ray. So they will need a sonar like that. So if your machine is got a high resolution, you can nicely see what is going on there, and the patient is having a lot of pain. So you can have a good view of that. I like the walk stick, guys, when I'm doing So this is a normal curvilinear that I used on this one. This is a normal curvilinear. I need you to see the difference now when you're using a hook stick. So this is a normal linear probe. Still, we are using the same normal linear probe there. Normal linear probe. Normal linear probe there. My linear probe isn't all that bad though, because we can actually see the inflammation that is happening around the osteophyte there. The inflammation around the osteophyte there, you can see it nicely. Um, but at times for these superficial structures in foreign bodies, in the naves, I prefer to use a hook stick. So the hook stick is the best boy for the job. So I need you to appreciate the difference. Need you to appreciate the difference and see how well the hook stick can achieve its objectives. Yeah, so there we go again. You can see the fusion nicely. You can see this is the synovium that is thickened there. So that's the synovium, that's the bone plate, the contour, the bone contour there, the effusion there, the effusion there, that's a pool of free fluid. Differentially, if it was an accident or if it was trauma, this should be fluid. You see now I'm now using the hook stick. That's the hook stick now. So you can see how I can nicely see the synovium there. I can trace it nicely and you can see it all the way like that. That's the bone contour there. That's the osteophyte that we are going to see a small other tiny osteophyte that is coming in there. You see, there's those things that are coming there. So I like the resolution of a walk stick. I hope you do also. So I am home done now. So I hope you are learning. Much appreciated. Thank you so much.